How do you do? I'm a dog with a backache lately.
As you can see, I'm a cute penguins.
Today, I would like to introduce Good Smile Company's plastic model, CHITOCERIUM v CARBONIA ADAMAS.
It's a company famous for making movable figures. I'm looking forward.
It's a work with a gothic worldview. Let's take a look. The volume of the kit is about the simple Gunpla MG. Assembling is easy. I'm glad that the instructions are full color.
It's luxurious. It is a specification that is easy for beginners to know the color of the parts. Is beautiful.
This can be done in about 2 hours using nippers and a design knife. There is no need to paint.
It's cool that the characteristic mask on the head is movable.
A total of 5 facial expression parts are included. I'm an old nerd, so I chose a face like Ray Ayanami with a bandage.
Good choice.
5 types of hand parts are also included.
You can choose between soft type and hard type for joint parts. This was made with a hard type that emphasizes strength.
Decals for detail improvement are also included. This remanufactured version does not require decals as some parts are pre-painted. Let's add it as you like.
Nice one. You can make a beautiful work just by assembling it.
Weapons and shields can be stored compactly. Furthermore, it can be stored in the base case by posing the main body in a small size.
Fantastic.
In addition to the trumpet attached to the back, a trumpet to hold in your hand is also included. It has been painted.
The volume of the kit itself is not large, but it is beautiful and the details are polite and elaborate. How much was this?
It's about $60.
I think it's a good purchase, but is the money okay? We are the poor creatures of Japan.
Foo. Actually, I changed jobs, so my salary goes up a little.
Really?
It's true. The first commute will start tomorrow.
Understood. You're an idiot, so do your best not to get fired right away and earn money to buy a plastic model.
I will do my best to the extent that I will not die. Well, I'm preparing for a new workplace, so that's it for today.
It can't be helped. Thank you for watching till the end.
See you soon.